Bang, bang, you're out. Bang, bang. You're out. I'm the other team.
Oh, yeah.
Frag out! Bang, bang, you're out, you're out. Bang, bang. Parlay. Parlay, good job. Sorry, shoot you in the back. Hey, thanks for calling that. That was a long shot. Hard to feel. Parlay! Back in! Hit! Good shot, hit! I'm hit! Hey, walking out! Watch crossfire! Good shot!
If you would look behind you, like earlier when you went right here.
I passed him, I know.
No, there's about like 10 on the outside you could have got.
I saw them when I got there and started to shoot into their backs. But I made the mistake of trying to keep pushing up. I only saw 2, not 10 though. I mean, I didn't see all of them.
Did you get your mag back from the rest?
I did. Thank you so much for finding that. I appreciate that. Thanks, sir. All right, guys. That was a good game, though. Both teams are doing really well. Okay, you got him. Good job. I'm here. One guy right there. One guy right there. One guy right there.
They're both out. 2 out.
One guy behind the shade of the little box. I'm going to frag him out. Is he out? No. Frag out! Right there! You're out. Thank you. He's out. One guy right there. Thank you. He's out. I'm hit, but so are you. Thank you. Hit, walking out. Picking up my grenade. Thank you. Picking up my grenade.
Second Troy, hey,
Bang, bang. Friendly. And you and I parlay because we're both, well, oh, you're the other team, by the way. Yeah, we're both parlaying. We're parlaying. Guys, I'm going to parlay. Parlaying it. Parlay. Bang. Parlay. Frag out! That's everybody right here. Thank you, gentlemen.
That was nice.
You were not behind the wall when that frag went out. You got the luck? Move that. Frag out! That's you. I just got hit.
I banged you as you ran up.
Gotcha.
So I don't.
We gotta go now. VIP, let's go. VIP. Get the VIP up. Let's go. Run. Come here. VIP's out. He got hit. Good job. No, you should have. That's game. Good job, guys. Hey, that was awesome effort, guys. Well done. Hey, at least we tried. Good job, guys.